Hello YouTube, and welcome back to another channel of 7.3 liter truck stuff. All right, today we're going to be discussing this nastiness right here. Gorgeous engine, super nasty thing. All right, if you wouldn't mind crushing that like button, slamming that subscribe button, that'd help me out huge as we're getting moving here. Stand by, here it comes. All right, I'll link the parts below. I went ahead and bought this package. What this is are upholstery and interior tools. They're gonna help remove some of the tabs that came on that pile of nastiness in the hood of the truck there. And also I'll link this shoptntparts.com on Facebook. We've got some tabs, this cloth with a warning. It may cause cancer, but only in California. Thank God I'm on the East Coast. All right. Haha, came right out. All right, perfect. Here's our mat. Let's get moving. All right, I figured out real quick, it's best to throw a drop cloth down because this stuff is getting everywhere. Okay, first things first, let's get the right tool for the job. All right, so these things, I'm sure they're fantastic for interior of a vehicle, but they're so flimsy every time I apply pressure to it. These tabs aren't coming out, it's just bending this plastic piece, so that's a no. Also a no, my dog barking right now, he needs to knock that crap off. Got her clipped in. Man, let's try this one. Got her clipped in. Man, it's my fault for not buying the more expensive right tool for the job. All right, well, we've got the old mat down. And as expected, pretty dirty. Also, shows the original color of the truck, which is a blue, and get an idea of maybe some of the condition of the truck because we get to get inside and see what's going on, and doesn't look too bad. I'm not seeing any areas of rust. Connections aren't looking too terrible. So time to put the new piece back on. All right, some life lessons learned here today. 1, you get what you pay for. 2, use the right tool for the job. So first things first, I can see right off the bat, this is a lot thinner of a compound than the original. Obviously I'm fighting with it. Also, something to note real quick. So these big spacers came with this kit, and there are 20 of them, but the small ones for the rubber piece here did not. So this quickly becomes an issue of ensuring that you hold on to those small pieces and pull them off in such a manner as to be able to put them back on again, or you just get a new piece of weather strip for the front. All right, it is all complete. This is what we're working with here. So I would say this, in terms of how it looks now as compared to how it looked before, it does look a lot better, but it looks better because it's new. The quality is not where the OEM piece was. So this is fine. It'll last for a minute. I'll double check it. If it starts to fall apart after a year or so, just slam a new one in. It's so easy to put on, and it's so relatively cheap that I almost wish they made different colors. So at least if it's not gonna be the heavier duty OEM quality, it brings some sort of showroom quality to it, where this is just very much a standard matte gray with that kind of fiberglass underneath it. And yeah, it's, instead of being pre-molded, it's just pliable and bendable, and you see those marks. But for what it is, it's not dirtying up the engine anymore like the old one was, falling apart and falling in there. I'm glad I made the upgrade. All right, crush, like, hit subscribe for me. I appreciate it. Take care till the next one. 7.3 liter truck stuff.